CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.8 Given a scenario, apply common methods for securing mobile devices. Mobile device security. When it comes to securing mobile devices, many of the same hardening techniques used on workstations still apply. After all, modern smartphones and tablets are essentially pocket-sized computers carrying enormous amounts of personal and professional data. Emails, banking apps, saved passwords, company files, photos, and even authentication apps often live on these devices. That makes mobile security incredibly important because losing control of your phone can sometimes be just as damaging as losing control of your workstation. A great place to begin is with screen locks, which act as the first line of defense against unauthorized access. Mobile devices support several different screen lock methods, including facial recognition, fingerprint authentication, PIN codes and passphrases, pattern locks, and swipe gestures. While all of these methods provide some level of access control, they do not all offer the same level of protection. Facial recognition uses the device's camera and biometric scanning technology to identify the authorized user based on facial features. Fingerprint authentication works similarly by scanning and recognizing the user's fingerprint. Both methods are considered secure and convenient because they rely on biometric characteristics unique to the individual user. PIN codes and passphrases rely on something the user knows rather than something they physically are. A strong passphrase generally provides more protection than a short PIN because it is typically longer and more complex. Pattern locks offer moderate protection by requiring users to trace a specific pattern across the screen, while simple swipe locks provide very little real security and should not be used to protect sensitive information. Building on screen security, mobile devices should also enforce failed login attempt restrictions. This security feature limits the number of incorrect login attempts allowed before the device temporarily locks the user out, requires additional authentication, or in some cases performs a device wipe. These restrictions help defend against brute force attacks where attackers repeatedly attempt different PINs or passwords until they eventually guess correctly. Another important layer of mobile security is device encryption. Mobile device encryption ensures that the data stored on the device remains unreadable without the proper authentication credentials. Even if someone physically steals the device, the stored information remains protected. On many modern smartphones and tablets, encryption is enabled automatically behind the scenes as part of full device encryption. This protects everything stored on the device, including applications, messages, photos, files, and saved account information. Of course, securing the device itself is only part of the equation. Software vulnerabilities also need constant attention, which brings us to patch management. Patch management involves keeping both operating systems and applications updated with the latest security fixes and improvements. Operating system updates are especially important because they often patch newly discovered vulnerabilities attackers may attempt to exploit. However, application updates are equally important since outdated apps can also contain serious security flaws. Ignoring update notifications for weeks at a time might feel convenient, but from a security perspective, it is a bit like leaving your front door unlocked because you did not feel like turning the key. In addition to updates, mobile devices often rely on endpoint security software for additional protection. This can include antivirus software, anti-malware tools, and content filtering solutions. Antivirus and anti-malware applications help detect and block malicious apps, suspicious behavior, and known threats before they can compromise the device. Content filtering adds another layer of protection by restricting access to harmful or inappropriate websites and online content. In business environments, content filtering may also help enforce acceptable use policies and reduce exposure to phishing sites or malicious downloads. If a device is ever lost or stolen, locator applications can become incredibly valuable. Features such as Find My iPhone or Find My Device allow users to locate their devices using GPS and internet connectivity. These tools may also provide additional options such as remotely playing a sound, locking the device, or displaying its last known location. Sometimes the missing phone is not stolen at all. It is just hiding in the couch cushions, conducting a covert operation against your sanity. But if recovery is not possible, remote wipe capabilities become extremely important. Remote wipe allows authorized users or administrators to erase the contents of a lost or stolen device remotely. This helps prevent sensitive data from falling into the wrong hands. In corporate environments, remote wipe features are especially important because mobile devices may contain company emails, files, authentication tokens, and other confidential information. Another important protection mechanism involves remote backup applications. Services such as iCloud or Google Drive allow users to back up mobile device data securely to the cloud. These backups help ensure that contacts, photos, files, settings, and applications can be restored if the device is lost, damaged, wiped, or replaced. Backups provide an important safety net, because even the best security practices cannot always prevent accidents, theft, or hardware failure. At the end of the day, securing a mobile device is really about building layers of protection. If one security measure fails, another is there to help keep the device and its data protected. A strong screen lock might stop unauthorized access, encryption helps protect stored information, updates patch security holes, and tools like remote wipe and backups help limit the damage if the device is lost or stolen. And considering how much personal and professional information lives on mobile devices today, that level of protection is not optional anymore. These devices may spend most of their time in your pocket, but from a security standpoint, they should be treated with the same level of care as any workstation or server. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.